What is up, Prince Squad? I'm back with another video. Wait, this is the first video for the TshirtChick Red channel. I know I've been posting mostly on the green channel because you know that's my main channel, but I just wanted to just come on here and kind of you know, talk with you guys for a minute. If y'all was on the live stream for the green channel on this past Sunday, what was it, the 20th of January, y'all saw that I had my nephew on there with me, and he's really wanting to get him a YouTube channel, y'all. He really is. But while I was on that live stream, you know, he wouldn't stop talking, so I had to send him over. Like, I was over here sitting in my little area right here, you know, that y'all familiar with seeing right there, and I was like, go over there. So I sent him over here to this area. Okay, so this area didn't have my laptop and different things on it, but as you see, it did have my mouse pad. So as you see right here, this dude wrote all over my mouse pad. I don't even know what this is. He wrote or drew a picture. He also, this was a sheet that someone gave me with some video clips on it to look up for them, and he also wrote 3 + 2 = 5. Hey, you can't get mad at him because he's smart. He even gave himself a happy face. But yeah, but the real reason for this video was I'm just giving you guys a heads up of the next video that's coming out on the green channel, and that will be about my display setup right here. As you guys see, I'm gonna let you guys know where you can get the items to create your own setup like mine. Also, like the front area setup, you know, everything I have in my front area except for the extra junk that I know y'all not interested in. And also, like, you know, my right here you can see my right here you can see my little display stand right here that I have for the window, and also my boy Ian right here, who stays dressed and fly. You know, stay dressed and fly for y'all to show off the you know, the newest design. So yeah, if you are interested in that, stay tuned to the green channel. And also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. This channel will keep you guys updated with a lot of behind the scenes type stuff. Oh, one other thing. Look, my nephew had drew on my mouse pad right here, but my other mouse pad had actually came in over the weekend. So I'm gonna open that up and let you guys check it out. It's nothing fancy. Let me put my knee on here so I can open it up. But yeah, this is my new mouse pad. Just some bubbles, you know, rainbow colored bubbles. So if you guys are interested in that, and actually a lot of you can probably make this yourself, but if you guys are interested for that, I'll put a link down below this video for you guys. But y'all stay tuned to the green channel and the red channel. And the people who have not subscribed to the red channel, they really missing out. So y'all make sure y'all let them know next time you chat with one of them, or we're on a live stream or whatever. So I'll see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.